Hello, I just started using Xiaomi 14T Pro and I just encountered a weird bug which shows me a whole white screen like as you can see right now. I didn't even press anything. If I try to press the power button, then immediately the screen turns white and I can unlock my device like so. However, if I for instance try to use a different theme, then the wallpaper changes back, the icons stay the same even if I change the theme, but for instance the wallpaper changes back to the classic one. So it seems to be bugged for some reason. I don't know how to fix this issue, and I'm making this video to ask you guys, those who are watching this, if you encountered the same issue. I tried to use different methods to get rid of this issue, like changing the theme back to classic, for instance changing from the classic to something else and back again to classic, restarting the device and so on and so forth, and nothing really helped. And if you have any solutions to this problem, I would really appreciate if you shared it in the comments. Perhaps you encountered something something similar on your device. Maybe it was even a different device, but you had the same issue. So let me know in the comments, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.